This is the complete setup for 3-phase induction motor speed control trainer. Its model name is XPO VVVF. This means variable voltage and variable frequency. This trainer consists of a flat demo panel structure which is aluminum as sturdy structure. In this panel there are different panels, which is one phase AC input panel. Its model is AMT16A. This panel will provide single phase 230 volt AC supply to work the variable frequency drive. This second panel is integrated AC single phase measurement panel. Its model is AMT20F. This is the digital panel in which you can measure voltage, frequency, then current, power factor, the power in kilowatt, kVA, as well as energy. So these are the push buttons provided to select either voltage or frequency, current or power factor, etc. One switch is provided for the current selection for 1 ampere or 5 ampere. The next panel is IGBT controlled VVVF drive panel EMT33. In this panel, this is the VVVF drive, variable frequency drive, for which there is one potentiometer is provided to select the required frequency. The range of this frequency is 0.5 Hz to 100 Hz. So for this panel, input is single phase 230 volt and the output of this panel is 3 phase, which is 220 volt. The next panel is AC voltmeter panel. This panel will measure the voltages in the phases like RB, the voltage in phase RY, and the phase voltage in Y and B. It is displayed on this analog voltmeter. The fifth panel is dual range AC ammeter panel EMT3. This panel will show the currents in R phase, Y phase and B phase. This panel is having dual current range, that is 2 ampere and 6 ampere. So depending on the current, you may select this switch for 2 ampere range for R, Y, B and 6 ampere range R, Y and B. The last position is, it is not connected. So all the various resources like panel, analog meters or digital meters, including variable frequency drive, those are provided on this tabletop rack. With this trainer, we supply one 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor, which is shown here. This motor is delta connected, hence its input is delta connected 220 or 230 volt AC. The motor is having spring balance loading arrangement. You can load the motor by tightening these wing nuts. The belt is provided to apply load on the pulley of this motor. This is the belt. And these are the readings for torque measurement T1 and T2. The difference will give you the torque. The shockproof patch cord set is also provided with this trainer. This is the instructional manual for this trainer. In this manual, all the information related with each panel used in this system is provided. And one digital tachometer is given to measure speed of the motor. So let us perform one experiment on this trainer for speed torque characteristics of 3-phase induction motor. Let us perform one experiment on this trainer. Let us see experiment in this manual. The name of the experiment is Study of Speed Torque Characteristics of 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Its unit objective is given. Discussion on fundamentals, that is some theoretical background. The wiring schedule is provided here. Then procedure, how to run this particular experiment. The block diagram is provided. This is panel wise block diagram. Again, this is the procedure, and the observation tables are provided on this page. So let us make wiring schedule as given in manual. So in this wiring schedule, the serial number from and to, just you have to take one patch cord and connect its one end on the tag given on this particular model, and the second terminal of this patch cord has to be connected to the respective tag of this model. So for this, the first serial number is EMT16A11. This means EMT16A model of the panel, that is EMT16A, and this 11 corresponds to the tag number on this panel. So tag number is 11, so connect one end to tag number 11. So serial number 2, EMT16A11, and another end of this patch cord will go to EMT20FL7, means this is EMT20FL7. So connect other end to this L7. So likewise, the second serial number is EMT16A12. This means EMT16A, the 12 number tag, and another terminal goes to EMT20F N8. So EMT20F panel is here, so it's N8. So all this wiring schedule is provided. Make the wiring schedule as given in these connections. So this is input to this variable frequency drive. The output of this variable frequency drive, which is 3-phase, is fed to AC voltmeter panel. Again, this ammeter is connected to know the current in R, Y and B phase. This is AC mains supply single phase, which is from wall socket, is connected to the tag provided. Now in this panel, two numbers of MCBs are provided, 4 ampere and 1.6 ampere. So make this 1.6 ampere MCB on. The input voltage will be shown on this meter, that is 225 volt AC. If you press this push button, it will show the input frequency of the AC mains. So this variable frequency drive will show the output frequency of the drive. So this will be vary from 0.5 Hz up to 99.9 Hz. So you can set any frequency on this drive. For example, let us set 25 Hz. Ensure that all the connections are done properly as per the wiring schedule. Now here 3 push buttons are provided, which are stop the motor, forward direction of motor and reverse direction of motor. So select forward direction of motor, press the push button. The motor will start rotate. So now the input to motor is 25 Hz and the voltage will be approximately 100 volt. You can check different voltages between any of the phases, like this voltage is showing between phase B and R. This voltage is showing between R and Y, and this voltage reading will be between the phase Y and B. The current through motor you can monitor here. So here 2 ampere range is selected. So current is approximately 0.4 ampere in R phase. In Y phase it is again 0.4 ampere, and in B phase it is again 0.4 ampere. So you can note down the current reading as well as voltage reading and frequency reading in the observation table provided. So let us see the observation table. So in this, the first column is frequency set on the frequency drive, that is 10 Hz, 25 Hz, 50 Hz, 75 Hz and 100 Hz. So for 25 Hz you may take different readings. For example, there are 7 readings you can take at the different load conditions. At the same time you can note down the current observed in EMT3 panel, the T1 and T2 that can be noted from this spring balance arrangement. So you can note down these readings. you can calculate the torque T1 minus T2, that is T is equal to 9.81 into 0.686 in Newton meter. Here the last column is for speed. The speed of motor you can measure by using handheld tachometer. Now the speed is approximately 737 RPM. So this will be the first reading for the setting of 25 Hz frequency. For the next reading, you may load this motor by tightening these wing nuts. So again, for this second reading, you may note down the current I on EMT3 panel, T1 and T2, those can be read on this spring balance loading arrangement. And again measure the speed by using handheld tachometer. So likewise, you can load the motor at any load condition and take different readings of torque as well as speed and plot the graph. For second set of reading, you can keep frequency on this variable frequency drive, say at 50 Hz. So for 50 Hz, you may note down the voltage on this voltmeter. Frequency is known, voltage is known, and note down the speed corresponding to 50 Hz on this motor. The speed is 1462 RPM. So in this case also, you can load motor at different conditions and take the readings of torque as well as speed, voltage observed on voltmeter and current observed on AC ammeter. Again, in the same way, you can perform the different experiments like study of efficiency of three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. So in this experiment also, some theoretical procedure is given. Again, wiring schedule is provided. The procedure is provided and observation table is provided. So with this trainer, you can connect instead of this spring balance loading arrangement, you can connect AD brake as a loading. So with the help of this trainer, the students can know the speed control technique of three-phase induction motor by using variable frequency drive. Thank you.